Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, on your device, we have to remove the top magnetic cover. Just set that top out of the way. That reveals our reset and Wi-Fi button right there. It's really teeny tiny, so grab a paper clip, ideally a SIM removal tool. That's going to be what you want to have right here. We're going to have to press and hold that down for a couple of seconds. So that's what we're going to do right now.
Restoring to factory settings.
Now I'm going to let go. Once I heard that, it's shifted. That's going to be what we need to do. Press that for about 3, 4, 5 seconds. You should hear that prompt. And now it's just a waiting game. So just shut off. It's coming back on. You can see those lights. Changing colors, blinking.
Welcome to use Mova Robot. Please open Robot's cover and scan QR code to download app to view more operations.
So there we go. Voice prompt there. The vacuum, you saw that raise itself up. The module go up and down.
To complete subsequent tasks smoothly, place robot back into dock before starting tasks.
But that's it.
Hearing, start charging. It means the installation is in place.
Back to our initial setup prompts. That's it. Everything's all set and ready to go. It's been factory reset.